Hey, it's Anthony here over at SantaFe4.com, your used and new car dealer just outside of Gainesville off of exit 399 to Pecan Grove. Today we're looking at this 2025 Lincoln Aviator. Stay tuned. Okay, so starting at the front, it has front camera, sensors, alloy wheels, tinted windows, keypad entry, a sunroof, moonroof, and if you go around the back, you got a backup camera, backup sensors, hitch receiver, and dual exhaust, plus so much more. Now, if you'd like more information on this Aviator, you can check it out online at SantaFe4.com or give us a call at the number below. Now, we're going to take a real quick look inside. On the door, you have power windows, locks, and mirrors, push button for door release, memory seating, and controls on the door as well. The interior is a tan leather, and if you go to the back, you have 3 rows of seats, with the middle seats being command chairs. On the steering wheel, you have a cruise, media phone, hands-free media, and so many other controls. As of this video, you have 3,900 miles on it. Up here on the visor, you have HomeLink. Now down onto the dash, it is touchscreen with AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, Google News, and so much more. Navigation, as well as heated and cooled seats on either side, as well as a heated steering wheel. Easy access to your camera system through the press of a button. And if you go a little bit further down here, you have a wireless charging station for your phone.
Hello there, my name is Denali. If you would like more information on the vehicle you just saw, you can call us at the number below, 1-866-371-2255. Or check this vehicle out and the rest of our inventory over at SantaFe4.com. Have a great day.